There's been a lot of noise lately, both inside and around you. But in this moment, you get to return to your center. These affirmations will help you clear your mind and reconnect with calm focus. Let's begin. I choose stillness in this moment. I center myself in quiet clarity. I release the pull of distraction. My energy returns to what matters. I come back to my calm core. I quiet the noise around me. I trust the space between thoughts. I am safe in my own silence. I breathe in clarity and calm. I let my inner waters settle. My focus sharpens with peace. I hear the voice of truth within. I clear away what clouds my view. My mind feels clear and open. I feel spacious and clear inside. I return to my inner quiet. I allow stillness to guide me. My energy is soft and focused. I am present in this breath. I release the mental clutter. I hold space for pure thought. I feel peace within my chest. I rest in my quiet center. I create space for clear vision. I reclaim my calm attention. I move through life with presence. I bring my mind home to stillness. My thoughts reflect clarity. I create peace within my mind. I feel light and centered now. I trust the quiet in my body. I clear my energy with breath. I feel open and grounded today. I create ease in my inner world. I soften into calm awareness. I choose what I let in today. I guide my energy with care. I am focused on what supports me. I choose to return to calm. I protect my peace gently. I listen for what brings clarity. I invite stillness into my day. I pause before I react. I open to deeper awareness. I flow with gentle focus. I feel aligned in quiet moments. I am present and untangled. I breathe out the mental weight. I reset with each breath. I stay rooted and calm. I allow my energy to soften. I reflect from a place of peace. I slow down to feel more deeply. I trust the pace of clarity. I feel held by calm awareness. I welcome this space to reset. I clear room for peace to enter. I rest in mindful quiet. I reconnect with gentle purpose. I breathe space into my day. I tune in to my quiet strength. I hear my inner wisdom clearly. I choose a calm mental rhythm. I let silence be my teacher. I detach from what drains me. I refill with mindful energy. I honor what clears my spirit. I align with clean intention. I am clarity in motion. I value my focused energy. I feel strong in my quiet power. I live today with full presence. I act from centered awareness. I stay clear and grounded. I let my breath clear the fog. I return to peace with ease. I hold peace like a compass. I rest in quiet clarity. I live with mindful intention. I protect my peace with care. Thank you for taking this moment to reset. As you move through your day, let your calm guide you. You are allowed to protect your peace. You are allowed to choose yourself.